Hello, friends. Audio World is back, and today we are going to share some normal abbreviation, general full forms. It may be used in common world, and there are some tech full form as well. So let's start. So AM, the short forms are written on the left hand side and the full forms on right. AM is Arunomedian. PM is post meridian. PEN is permanent account number. DOB is date of birth. RTI is right to information. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. ETA, estimated time of arrival. TRP, television rating point. QR code, quick response code. IST, Indian Standard Time. GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. Forex, foreign exchange. R&D, research and development. IPO, initial public offering. B2B, business to business. CTC, cost to company. B2C, business to consumer. CEO, chief executive officer. CFO, chief financial officer. NRI, non-resident Indian. CTC, cost to company. NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer. BPO, business process outsourcing. SMS, short messaging service. PhD, Doctor of Philosophy. IE, East, that is to say. AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. Now these forms are from tech world and these are very common, you should know them. ATA, Advanced Technology Attachment. ATX, Advanced Technology Extended. CD, Compact Disc. CD-ROM, Compact Disc, Read-Only Memory. CDRW, Compact Disc, Rewritable. Computer full form, commonly operated machine, particularly used in technical and educational research. CPU, Central Processing Unit. DVD, Digital Versatile Disc. DVD-ROM, Digital Video Disc, Random Access Memory. DVD-ROM, Digital Video Disc, Read-Only Memory. DVD-R, Digital Video Disc, Recordable. DVD-RW, Digital Video Disc, Rewritable. DDR, Double Data Rate. DDR-RAM, Double Data Rate, Random Access Memory. FDD, Floppy Disk Drive. HDD, Hard Disk Drive. HDMI, High Definition Media. IDE, Integrated Drive Electronics. LCD, Liquid Crystal Display. LED, Light Emitting Diode. RAM, Random Access Memory. ROM, Read Only Memory. HDD, Hard Disk Drive. FDD, Floppy Disk Drive. PCI, Peripheral Component Interconnect. SSD, Solid State Disk. SMPS, Switch Mode Power Supply. USB, Universal Serial Bus. VGA, Video Graphics Array. Now these are short terms for mobile as well as some technology related terms. So 2G refers to second generations of mobile phone standard and technology. These generation differs in the way the technologies are used within this. You can refer to Google for more to know more about these generations and their uses. 3G, third generation of mobile phone standard and technology. 4G, fourth generation of mobile phone standard and technology. FTP, file transfer protocol. GPRS, general packet radio system. GSM, global system for mobile communication. IMAP, international message access protocol. LAN, local area network. IP, internet protocol. IPconfig, internet protocol configuration. MAC, media access control. MAN, metropolitan area network. POP, post office protocol. POP3, post office protocol 3. PPPP, point to point protocol. PPTP, point to point tunneling protocol. NetBIOS, network basic input output system. NetBEUI, network basic input output system extended user interface. SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. VPN, virtual private network. WAN Wide Area Network, WAP Wireless Application Protocol, Wi-Fi Wireless Fidelity, WLAN Wireless Local Area Network. API Application Programming Interface, BIOS Basic Input Output System, Cosmos Complementary Metal Oxide Semiconductor, DNS Domain Name Service or Domain Name Server, DPI Dots per Inch, DVI Digital Visual Interface, FAT File Allocation Table, FAT12 12-bit file allocation table, FAT16 16-bit file allocation, FAT32 32-bit file allocation table, FPS frame per second, EMI electromagnetic interference, GB gigabyte, GPPS gigabyte per second or gigabits per second, GHz gigahertz, GUI graphical user interface, IO input output, MBPS megabytes per second, kbps kilobytes per second, kb kilobyte, MB megabyte, GB gigabyte, TB terabyte. 4-bit 1 nibble, 8-bit 1 byte, 1024 bytes 1 kilobyte, 1024 kb 1 megabyte, 1024 MB 1 gigabyte, 1024 GB 1 terabyte, 1024 TB 1 petabyte, 1024 PB 1 exabyte, 1024 EB 1 zettabyte, 102B zettabyte is 1 yottabyte. MHz megahertz, MP3 moving picture experts, MP3 moving picture expert group layer 3 audio, MPEG moving picture expert groups, MS config Microsoft configuration, NTFS new technology file system, NTLDR new technology loader, OMR optical mark recognition, RGB red green blue, TXT text, SD secure digital, PC personal computer OS operating system, HTML hypertext markup language, HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, HTTPS hypertext transfer protocol over secure socket layer, PHP hypertext preprocessor, XML extendable markup language, CSS cascading style sheets, SAS syntactically awesome style sheets, JS JavaScript, JAX asynchronous JavaScript and XML, Perl practical extraction and reporting language, CSS cascading style sheet, SAS syntactically awesome style sheets, UI user interface, UX user experience, ASP active server page, RSS really simple syndication, SQL structured query language, net internet, WP WordPress, www World Web. These are from software and their short meaning and abbreviation. PS for Photoshop, AI Illustrator, LR Lightroom, BE Behance, T Typekit, AU Adobe Audition, BR Bridge, Co Edge Code, FW Firework, IC InCopy, MU Adobe Muse, BC Business Catalyst, VDU Visual Display Unit, XGA Extended Graphic Array, Zip Zigzag Inline Packaged, IN Age Inspect, FV Flash Builder, ID InDesign, PI Prelude, Premiere Pro, CC Creative Cloud, RF Edge Reflow, FL Flash Professional, P ProSite, SC Adobe Scott, WF Edge Web Font, SG Speed Grade, AE After Effects, DW Dreamweaver, BD Phone Gap Build, ST Story Plus, W WinWord, X Excel, O Outlook, P PowerPoint, N OneNote, A Excels. Then Google, Global Organization of Oriented Group Language of Earth. Yahoo, yet another hierarchical officious oracle. Intel, Integrated Electronics, LG, Life's Goods, MBA, IBM International Business Machine Corporation, HP Hewlett Packard, IBM International Business Machine, Audi Auto Union, Deutschland, Igno Stadit. BMW Bravian Motor Worker, ATM Synchronous Transfer Mode, IT Information and Technology, IEEE Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, ISO International Standard Organization Post Power on Self-Test, AMW Asian Motor Workers, CNN Cable Network, News Network, IBN Indian Broadcasting Network, Wipro Western Indian Products, MRF Madras Rubber Factory, TVS TV Sundaram, co-founder, BBC British Broadcasting Corporation, Amul Anand Milk Union Limited, ICICI Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India, ESPN Entertainment and Sport Programming Network, KFC Kentucky Fried Chicken, TED Technology Entertainment and Design, IMDb the Internet Movie Database, ISG International Subscriber Dialing, Adidas Adolf Adi Dressler, Dell Digital Electronic Link Library, Esser Acquisition Collaboration Experimentation Reflection, ONGC Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. Thank you.